What is the value of this? First we can write this root 5 and 2, and this also we can write this is the on the cube root power 1 by 3, and now we multiply with the 8 and divide by the 8. So here we can write 8 root 5, and this is the 16, and divide this is the 8, and this is the 1 by 3 power. Because we multiply this, because we can a minus b whole cube formula is the a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. There a minus root 5 and there 16, so we can write there first this is the 5 root 5, this is the cube, so this cube, this is the 5 root 5, and this is the minus 1 of cube, this is the 1, and this is the 3, the root 5, the square, and this is the 1, and this is the 3 root 5, and this is the 1 square. This is the 3 root 5 is 5, and the 3 to 15, and there is the 3, 1 square is 1, 3 root 5, so there is 8 and 3, so this is, so we can write 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5, this we can write this, and this is the 1, and this is we can write this, and divide this 8, this 1 of cube, and so this is the this, and so this, and so we can write root 5 minus 1 of cube, so this we can write root 5 minus 1, this is the cube, and 2 is 2 cube, and there 1 by root. So from here they are cut, so root 5 minus 1, and there is the cut, so by 2, and now root 5 value, we know the 2.236 approximately this, and so there is the 2.236, and this is the minus 1 and by 2, so there is the 1.236 by 2, so approximately this is the 0.618. So this is the value of decimal of this.